Going to various landing sites and beaches around Lake Victoria, the sight of dirty water and green matter cannot be ignored. The thick algae are posing health risks to water users and aquatic life.
And therefore it is a risk to us in form of probably cancerous, disease, cancer and the other diseases.
I have not found substances in algae which causes cancer. Of course, we know that there are several species of algae. As I told you, algae is not one single species. According to the American Museum, there are 72,000 species of algae. So maybe one of them can cause. But the ones I've known, I've read about, they are actually safer to filter cancerous material from our water, from our animal, than itself causing algae. I'm a dermatologist myself.
To reduce on the human waste that is dumped into Lake Victoria, over 30 pit latrines are being constructed under the Environmental Management Project.
These are pit or lined pit toilets along the shores of Lake Victoria. Here we're trying to support landing sites that actually we know that don't have good fecal disposal facilities, to ensure that they don't just dispose their waste in that manner. So we are giving them toilets. In some areas we've helped them to construct solid waste management facilities. So these are some of the interventions that the Lake Victoria Environment Management Project has been able to put in place to ensure that we reduce on the pollution.
Lake Victoria serves people in countries of Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, as well as the fishing communities in the region. National Water and Sewerage Corporation extracts about 230 million liters of water daily, supplied to areas of Greater Kampala. The organization spends over 900 million Uganda shillings on water treatment every month. However, with increased algae and pollution, these costs tend to increase.
The challenge we have is that there are supposed to be swamps around the lake. Most of these swamps have been degraded. So water goes to the lake, there is no opportunity for it to be filtered by natural medium before it gets into the lake. So like I was telling you, the cost of treating water has gone up, and it has gone up because the lake is being polluted by human activities.
The increasingly mushrooming industries around the lake have also contributed to water pollution.
We need action that institutions that are mandated like NEMA to take, to really institute measures and take up their rightful place.
Handling of water resources, not only the mandate of NEMA. NEMA works in conjunction with other agencies. When it comes to issues of fisheries, there is a director of fisheries department. They have a director of water resource management who is in charge of handling water resources. NEMA, of course, we are the responsible agency for coordination, monitoring, and supervision of all activities on the environment, and that's where we set standards for whatever is discharged into the lake.
The gases produced by the massive algae include methane and carbon dioxide, which are blamed for causing global warming and creating an environment that helps disease-causing organisms to thrive.